Hi to everyone. This is the first lesson on complex numbers. Okay, now we start. Complex number. Definition. A complex number, Z, can be defined as an ordered pair x, y of real number. Z is equal to x, y. Subject to rule and law of operation to be specified below. The pair ex0 is equal to x. This rule establishes the real number as a subset of the complex numbers. It is convenient to have a name and a symbol for the pair 0, 1. That pair is called the imaginary unit I. The real numbers x and y are called the real and imaginary components of the number x, y of the pair, respectively written as r of z is equal to x and I of z is equal to y. A pair of type 0 y is a pure imaginary number. Another rule to be imposed on such pair is that two complex numbers are equal if and only if their real components are equal and their imaginary components are equal. Thus, x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2 if and only if the if and only if x y is equal to x2 and y1 is equal to y2. In particular, since 0 is equal to 0, 0, the pair 0, 0, then z is equal to xy equal to 0 if and only if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, Now any two complex number z1 is equal to x1 y1 and z2 is equal to have a sum and a product, written as z1 plus z2 and z1 times z2, defined as the complex number given by the equation z1 plus z2 is equal to x1 y1 plus x2 y2. That is equal to x1 plus x2 and y1 plus y2, and the other rule, z1 multiplied z2 is equal to x1 y1 times x2 y2. That is equal to x1 times x2 minus y1 y2 and x1 y2 plus x2 y1. In particular, then the pair x0 plus 0y is equal to the pair xy, and 0y is equal to y0 times the pair 0 1. Thus, each complex number that is not itself real can be written as the sum of a real number and a pure imaginary number. Okay. Z is equal to xy, the pair xy, or is equal to x plus y times I, where I is the imaginary units. Okay, that's it's all for now.